Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to burn more calories without exercising. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because you'll be surprised how small daily habits can help you burn extra calories without stepping into a gym. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Increase your NEAT. Our first method is by increasing something called NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Now I know that sounds complicated, but it's actually really simple. NEAT is essentially all the calories you burn outside of structured exercise routines. NEAT is basically all the calories you burn outside of structured exercise. This includes everyday activities that you might not even think about. Think about things like walking, fidgeting, even just standing up. These all contribute to your NEAT. Simple movements that we often overlook can make a big difference. Let's say you have a desk job. I know a lot of us do these days. Sitting for long periods can be detrimental to your health. Instead of sitting for hours on end, try standing up while you take phone calls or pacing around when you're brainstorming ideas. These small changes can add up. You can even try a standing desk. It's a great way to keep your body active and engaged throughout the day. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be burning more calories. Studies have actually shown that standing burns about 50% more calories than sitting. This can have a significant impact over time. That might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. And the best part? You don't need to make drastic changes to see benefits. You don't have to completely overhaul your routine to make a difference. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking around during commercial breaks, or just fidgeting more can significantly increase your NEAT and help you burn more calories throughout the day. These little actions can make a big difference in your overall health. Remember, every little bit counts. Each small effort contributes to a healthier, more active lifestyle. So find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily life and watch those calories melt away. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel better overall. Chapter 2. Eat more protein. Did you know that your body actually burns calories just by digesting food? It's true. It's called the thermic effect of food, or TEF for short. And guess what? Protein has the highest thermic effect of all the macronutrients. That means that your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting carbs or fats. So, how can you take advantage of this? It's simple. Eat more protein. Aim to include a good source of protein with every meal. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, tofu. There are so many delicious and healthy options out there. Eating a high-protein diet can boost your calorie burn by 15 to 30% compared to a diet that's lower in protein. That's huge. Plus, protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which can prevent overeating and those pesky cravings. So, next time you're planning your meals, make sure to prioritize protein. Your metabolism will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Stay hydrated with cold water. We all know that staying hydrated is important for our overall health, and it's something we hear about all the time. Hydration helps with everything from keeping our skin looking fresh to aiding in digestion, and even improving our mood. But did you know that drinking more water, especially cold water, can actually help you burn more calories? Yes, you heard that right. Cold water can be a simple yet effective way to give your metabolism a little boost. It might sound too good to be true, but it's backed by science. It all comes down to thermodynamics. When you drink cold water, your body has to work a little harder to bring that water up to your normal body temperature. This process of warming the water requires energy, and burning energy means burning calories. Essentially, your body is doing a mini workout every time you drink cold water. And guess what? That process requires energy, and burning energy means burning calories. It's a win-win situation. Studies have shown that drinking about 500 milliliters of cold water can increase your metabolism by 10 to 30% for about an hour. That's a significant boost for such a simple action. It's not a massive calorie burn, but every little bit helps, especially when it's as easy as drinking water. It's a simple and easy way to give your metabolism a little boost throughout the day. Plus, staying hydrated has so many other benefits. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Keep a bottle handy, and take sips regularly. Keep a reusable water bottle with you, and sip on it regularly. It's an easy habit to form and can make a big difference. And if you want to maximize the calorie burning potential, make it cold water. Enjoy the refreshing taste and the added benefits. Chapter 4. Get enough sleep! Now, this next one might seem counterintuitive, but trust me on this. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism and burning calories efficiently. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can actually slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Not to mention, when you're tired, you're more likely to reach for sugary snacks and caffeine to keep you going, which can further sabotage your weight loss goals. On the other hand, when you get enough sleep, your body is able to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, balance your hormones, and regulate your metabolism effectively. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Chapter 5. Use spices to boost metabolism. Let's add some flavor to this calorie-burning journey, shall we? Today, we're diving into the world of spices and how they can be your secret weapon in boosting metabolism. Did you know that certain spices can actually help boost your metabolism and increase calorie burn? It's true. These little flavor powerhouses can do more than just make your food taste amazing. One of the most well-known metabolism-boosting spices is chili peppers. These fiery little guys pack a punch not just in flavor but also in their ability to rev up your metabolism. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which is what gives them their heat. This compound is known to increase the body's heat production, a process known as thermogenesis. Capsaicin has been shown to temporarily increase metabolism and boost calorie burn. So next time you're looking to spice things up, reach for those chili peppers. Another great option is ginger. This versatile root is not only great for adding a zing to your dishes but also for giving your metabolism a little kick. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it can slightly increase body temperature and help you burn more calories. It's a fantastic addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Plus, it's great for digestion and can help reduce bloating. A cup of ginger tea can be a soothing way to end your day while also aiding your metabolism. And let's not forget about cinnamon. This warm, sweet spice is a favorite in many households. Cinnamon is another spice that can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can indirectly aid in weight management. It's perfect for adding a touch of sweetness without the extra calories. So, don't be afraid to spice things up in the kitchen. Experiment with different spices and find what works best for you. Add some chili flakes to your stir-fries, sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, or sip on some ginger tea. These small changes can make a big difference. Your taste buds and your metabolism will thank you. So go ahead, explore the world of spices and give your meals and metabolism a flavorful boost. Chapter 6. Laugh more! This next tip is my personal favorite. Laugh more. You heard that right. Laughing can actually help you burn calories. It might sound too good to be true, but studies have shown that laughing for 10 to 15 minutes a day can burn up to 40 to 50 calories. It's not a huge amount, but it all adds up. And who doesn't love a good laugh? Laughing engages your core muscles, increases your heart rate, and boosts your oxygen intake. all of which contribute to burning calories. Plus, it's a great stress reliever, and we all know that managing stress is crucial for overall health and well-being. So, put on your favorite comedy show, watch some funny videos online, or spend time with people who make you laugh. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Chew your food slowly. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of chewing your food thoroughly. You see, digestion actually begins in your mouth, and chewing your food properly allows your digestive enzymes to break down food more efficiently. When you chew your food slowly and thoroughly, you give your brain more time to register feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating and help you consume fewer calories overall. Plus, the act of chewing itself requires energy, which means you're burning calories while you eat. It might not be a significant amount, but every little bit counts, right? So, next time you sit down for a meal, make a conscious effort to slow down and chew your food thoroughly. Aim for at least 20 to 30 chews per bite. You might be surprised at how much more satisfied you feel and how much easier it is to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. So there you have it. 7 simple yet effective ways to burn more calories without even setting foot in a gym. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time, so don't underestimate the power of incorporating these hacks into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.